Hello, I'm Kamau Johnson, a computer science student with a growing passion for data science. In the last 3 days, I've completed an in-depth analysis of the Titanic Disaster dataset to identify the factors that most influence survival in the Titanic. So my hypothesis was that the survival rates were significantly affected by the passenger, class, and the age, with women, children, and the higher class passengers were likely more to survive in the disaster. So after cleaning, processing, and visualizing the dataset using Python and some libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, I applied two predictive models. The first one was the logistic regression, which was to estimate the probability of the survival based on the selected features. The second one was the random forest classifier. This was to capture the complex non-linear relationships between the features and the survival outcomes of the dataset. Both models confirmed my hypothesis, with the random forest classifier delivering a higher accuracy than the logistic regression due to its ability to handle feature interactions and variability. Now, in this we can see our logistic regression got an accuracy of 0.81564 and the rest. Then our main model, random forest validation accuracy, got the exact bit which confirmed my model was true. I'm gonna show you a quick flash of the overview in GitHub that I documented. So starting off with the introduction, this is just a documentation of my whole analysis, then the scope of analysis, my codes, then the graphs that I took when analyzing the surviving of the passengers, the feature engineering part, then the model training query where we validated between logistic regression and the random forest classifier. Then at the end, I got a random forest feature importance, which concluded my research on sex, age, fare, and P class with the categories that would affect if a passenger would survive or not. On top of that, I have shared the full project report and documentation on my GitHub for anyone interested and exploring the analysis and findings in detail. I've also published a Medium blog breaking down my approach and methods and key insights for a wider audience. Links to both are included in this post. See you on the next one. Bye.